Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to be guiding you through how to log into United Wholesale Mortgage account online. First of all, launch open any web browser of your preference and in the URL box type in account.myuwmloan.com and search. Once you do that, you'll end up in this sign-in page for United Wholesale Mortgage account. You'll need to go ahead and enter your username and then your password in the respective text boxes. Start off by typing in your correct username, and once you are done typing it down, go to the next field where it says password and enter your correct password for your account. If you don't remember your username and password, you can get help by clicking the "You forgot your username" and "forgot your password" button respectively. Finally, click the sign in button once you are done entering your credentials, and then you'll be able to log into your United Wholesale Mortgage account's dashboard where you can view your loan details, documents, and payment information. And that's it. That's how you can easily log into your United Wholesale Mortgage account online. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more simple banking and mortgage tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.